That's Nasser Nduhira alias Don Nasser, aged 38 years, a Kampala city socialist and businessman at Buganda Road Magistrates Court, to answer charges that led to his arrest last week. Nasser Nduhira, who was arrested from Kenya in court before Chief Magistrate Nwadi Kaizi, was charged with counts of aggravated trafficking and sexual exploitation of an underage girl.
And Nduhira Nasser, you're also called Don Nasser. You're a male adult, you are 38 years, you're Mnyankole by tribe, you're a businessman, reside in Ichito, in Oxford district. I had a promise, you're a female adult, you are 19 years, you're Mnyankole by tribe, you're person sister Tona Eboyo na Musinguzi, you reside in Bulindo, Ka division in Kampala district. The charge is, there are two counts. The first count is aggravated trafficking in children, under Section 3A and Section 5A of the Prevention of Trafficking in Persons Act. The particulars of the offense are that you, Nduhira Nasser, also known as Don Nasser, and A2 at a promise between the 23rd of May 2024 and the 27th of May 2024 between Acacia Avenue, Tagore Apartment, Mawanda Road in the Kampala District and the Chito Zone, Chira Municipality, Oxford District, by means of fraud or of the abuse of power or of a position of vulnerability, you recruited or received or transported or harbored.
In the charge sheet read in parts, Don Nasser Nduhira is accused of transporting a 16-year-old from Togole Apartments in Kamocha along Acacia Avenue and harboring her in his residence in Ichito Zone, Chireka Division, Wachiso District for 4 days, from 23rd up to 27th May 2024.
Have you seen the name? You harbored that person, a girl aged 16 years, for purposes of sexual exploitation. Have you understood count one? Have you understood count one? The second count is defilement, called the Section 1291 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 120. It's alleged that you, Nduhira Nasser, also known as Don Nasser, between the 23rd of May 2024 and 27th of May 2024, between Tagore Apartments, Mawanda Road, Kampala District and Chito Zone, Kira Municipality, Oxford District, you performed a sexual act with that same girl, a girl below the age of 18 years. Have you understood the charges? Have you understood the charges? Count one of aggravated trafficking in children, called the Section 3A and 5A, carries a maximum sentence of death upon conviction. It therefore means that this court has no jurisdiction to put the charge. It's only told by the High Court. You have understood? Yes, State.
Your Worship, we pray for cancellation of.
Don Nasser was not allowed to take plea since this court has no jurisdiction to hear the offense against him. Don Nasser, who is jointly charged with Atete, a 19-year-old personal assistant to Ntungamo Municipality Member of Parliament, Yona Musinguzi, her bail has been cancelled following the amendments on the charge sheet of aggravated trafficking and introducing Don Nasser as the second accused person.
That is okay. The reason why we are cancelling this bail is that they have amended the charges, charging with a capital offense, which carries a death sentence. My work is only to remand you, practically. But what you can do, now that you are represented by an able-bodied lawyer here, is going to make a formal application to the High Court ICD, National Crimes Division, for your bail to be reinstated. You understand? Yes, Counsel.
Your Honor, inquiries in this matter are still ongoing. We are praying for an adjournment.
That is okay. The reason why we are cancelling this bail is that they have amended the charges, charging with a capital offense, which carries a death sentence. My work is only to remand you, practically. But what you can do, now that you are represented by an able-bodied lawyer here, is going to make a formal application to the High Court ICD, National Crimes Division, for your bail to be reinstated. You understand? Yes, Counsel.
Your Honor, inquiries in this matter are still ongoing. We are praying for an adjournment.
Prosecution led by Joseph Chemuhendo told court that inquiries into the case are complete and prayed to court the accused be sent to High Court for full trial.
Maintain the confidentiality of the victim and shall bring to the attention of the court the measure required of the protection and the defense to protect the privacy and confidentiality of the victim. Your Worship, the protection we are seeking is not reading out the victim's name in open court. We shall avail the charge sheet to the defense lawyers, defense team, so that they can inform their clients. Secondly, Your Worship, in case of any media houses, the name of the victim should not in any way, whether by print or electronic media, be disclosed.
Media, we're protecting the victim, we're not disclosing her names. Counsel, the accused person was charged under section 13.31, so I'm going to actually take plea in this matter.
Yes, Your Worship, we are cognizant of the
That's
fact
why I said for the act, to be sure. Yes, I don't want, but I know you have powers to commit, so you can exercise those ones at least.
Your Worship, 3A in the old act.
First look at it.
Yes. 3A creates the offense in the old act.
Yes.
And then 5A creates the sentence.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Let me see, look at 5A. You have been doing this over and over, so somehow it is a confusing act.
Your Worship, it is not confusing. 3A refers to section 5A refers to section 3A.
Presiding Magistrate Lonadika is remanded the accused to Luzila Government Prison as they wait to appear before the High Court.
My client Nasser was charged today with aggravated trafficking in children and defilement. I have consulted my client. He says he did not commit the offenses. These are just cooked up charges. So he has been remanded, and we shall proceed to the High Court to make the necessary applications for him to get freedom. He's innocent, and whatever has happened now is just procedure. He will get time and get out of prison. Kagoro Friday. Walero balese client wange Nasser nduhuchire mu kooti nga bagamba nti ya trafficking wa mu Uganda ku trafficking omwana bakoyita okukusa omwana mbu namujja ku hoteli namutwala awaka. Simanyi mu mateeka oba trafficking okukusa ekyo gye kiri. Ekirala ne bamugamba nti omwana oyo yamukozesa naye ebintu ebyo nze ndowooza si bituufu kubanga client wange tabikolangako, takukusangako omwana oyo era tamweyambisanga. So bamututte ku remand mukomera, ndowooza ngenda kumulaba tulabe engeri gye tukikwasaganyamu nabe ng'avaayo. Ali innocent, emisango tagizzanga egyo.
Nasser Nduhira alias Don Nasser was arrested during the weekend by joint security operatives from Uganda and Kenya.